PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2014 PSLE Math question? And the question goes, the figure shows a path of width 2 meters in a rectangular garden of length 28 meters. The outline of the path is made of quarter circles with center W, semicircles with center Z, and straight lines. Wx is equal to yz. Find the area of the path. So in this case, we want to find the area of the path, which is highlighted in blue. So this path area consists of 1, 2, and 3. I will call it quarter circle path area. So 3 of this, and then plus 1 of this green rectangle. So how do we then find the area of this quarter circle path area? So if we were to zoom it in, you could see that it consists of a large, big quarter circle area. And then if we were to minus the small quarter circle area, then we will have a path or the quarter circle path. So for example, if we want to calculate the big quarter circle area, then we will have 1 quarter times pi times radius times radius. So we want to know what is the radius highlighted in green over here. So in this case, how do you find the radius? So if you were to map out all of the different length, so for example, the 2 meters path will always remain 2 meters wide no matter where it is. Then we also just put the 2 meters into the other side, and then you will see that we have also a couple of radius along the, I would say, width of this area of the path, which is 28 meters. So that means 28 meters is equal to radius plus 2 meters plus radius plus 2 meters. And this will give us 3 radius plus 4 meters. So from here, we know that 28 meters is equal to 3 radius plus 4 meters. So if we were to just make it into one radius, it will be equal to 24 divided by 3, and this will give us 8 meters. So now we know that the radius is 8 meters. The next thing is we can find the area for the small quarter circle and the big quarter circle. So let's calculate the big quarter circle radius first. All right. So in this case, it's just 8 plus 2, and this will give us 10. Then with this, we are able to calculate the big quarter circle area, and this will give us 78.5. Then we also want to get the small quarter circle area. And since we know the radius of the small quarter circle, which is 8 meters, then this will give us 50.24. So with this, we are able to get the quarter circle path, which is equal to 28.26. So with this, we can actually calculate the curved path area, which comprises of 3 of the quarter circle path, and this will be equal to 84.78. And then after that, we want to find the rectangle. So if we were to zoom it in, the rectangle also has a length of 8 meters and 2 meters. So first we know what's the breadth, which is 2 meters. Then the length will be 8 plus 2, and this will give us 10. So the area will just be length times breadth, and this will give us 20. Pretty straightforward. With this, we are able to calculate the path area, and this will be equal to 104.78.